Okay, y'all, so I just washed out my deep conditioner and I'm really trying to like be okay with this cut that I got. You know, I mean, I will say that since I got my hair cut, that my curls are tighter. They do look healthier, especially since I just straightened my hair. And I had my hair straightened for about like 3 weeks. I was sick last week. Well, I'm still sick now, but I was sick last week. It's hard sitting in this stool because I keep sliding out the stool. I guess it's little booty props, okay? And then I just want to say shout out to y'all for still being subscribed to me, still watching my videos and everything. I know I'm like super inconsistent. I keep saying like I'm gonna be better, I'm gonna be more consistent. This year I'm really gonna try to be more consistent. Because I really do enjoy making videos and everything. It's just like work and life, it just, you know, takes over. But you know, you gotta make time for things that you want to do. So I'm gonna start making more time to actually do my videos and stuff. So thank y'all for supporting me, still being here. So you know, like I'm gonna bring out more. I got some old videos that I'm gonna be dropping, and of course I'm gonna be doing some new videos. So with this video today, I'm going to be putting braids in my hair. So this cut is really getting to me. So I kind of want to see if my hair will grow a little bit more with the braids. Because, you know, everybody's always like, protective style, you need protective style. I do protective styling with, you know, my natural hair. But I haven't did protective styling with braids. And one of the reasons is because of how fine my hair is. And a lot of times when I put weave in my hair and stuff like that, it pulls my hair out. But now my hair is healthy and stronger. I'm gonna be doing the braids myself, so hopefully this will be better for my hair and it's longer. So let's just see how this works. So let's just get into this video. So I haven't bought the weave yet, so I'm just gonna put my hair in parts. I'm gonna do like medium-sized braids. But as I'm doing the braids, if I find it easier doing the knotless braids, I will try to do that. I never did braids on my own hair or knotless braids before. I have done box braids before with the rubber band method. I've done it on my sisters and I've done it on my friend. I actually have a video of my friend when I had did the box braids on her hair. I haven't posted it because I didn't really like it. It wasn't full, but I will post it after this. Just to show y'all kind of like what I did and the steps that I went through with doing someone else's hair. Her hair's texture is different, and you'll see all that when I post the video. So I'm talking too much. So let me start. I'm going to blow dry my hair. But I'm not going to blow dry my hair straight or anything like that because I don't want it to be too fine to where I'm not able to actually grip my hair. So I'm going to blow dry it, and it's not going to be like a, you know, one of them type of blowouts, but it's just going to be dry. But I need my hair to have some type of texture so that it's, you know, like I said, so I can grip the hair. Sorry, y'all, but that deep conditioner was really that. I'm literally just going through my hair, like, no tugging or anything. Like, that is what I like. Okay, back to the blow dryer. That's what I like. That's what I like. My nose is so dry right now. No, seriously, y'all, look at that. It's going right through my hair, no problem. That's what I like.
And while blow drying, I'm not putting any product on my hair because when I start braiding, I'm going to be using product then.
The good thing about a haircut is that my hair barely sheds. Look at it, it's just strings in the comb.
Okay, and then now I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections, front and back, and then I'm going to part the front section into 2 sections just to make sure everything is neat because I do want the parts to be straight, and a rat tail comb will do the trick for you. You can get this comb at any beauty spot store. I don't think like Walgreens and Walmart sells it because of the pointy end because I think I got this one from like an actual beauty spot store. So part of my hair on the sides is a little bit trickier because that part of my hair is thinner. You don't want that part to be too small because for one, you see how straight it is. It's going to be hard to grip. And you don't want the braids to be super small. So those I did a little bit bigger than the medium size. And every part that I make, I'm just going to go ahead and rubber band it so that I'm able to keep them separated. I'm using my toothbrush and a little bit of edge control to help keep the parts down so it's not frizzy when I start doing the braids. And then I'm just going to continue rubber banding, well, parting, rubber banding, and brushing down the hair, trying to make it as neat as possible so it could look at least, somewhat a professional, even though I'm doing it myself. Um, but yeah, so we're just going to try to make sure everything is neat. So when I'm ready to braid, everything will be put together. And you would be surprised, but this is honestly like the longest part of even doing your hair is actually parting the hair. I have to figure out a quicker way to do this because it took me hours just to part and rubber band my hair, and that is ridiculous. See, just so tedious trying to figure out how big to make the section and where to put the part at. It's just too much. Finally all done with the front. That took hours. So I had to have my little sister help me with the back because I couldn't see and I'm not feeling too good. Every time I was putting my head over my head, I was getting dizzy. So I had to have my little sister help, and she helped speed the process up for me because she was just parting and I was rubber banding. Alrighty, all done. Now it's time to add the hair. So I seen everybody on YouTube using this type of hair, so that's what I used. It's already separated, so you don't have to worry about putting it in 3 sections, trying to comb it out and stuff, because it's already separated for you. Alrighty, so I did the braids 2 different ways. The first way I did it was wrapping my hair around it and using my hair as the third piece. And then as I got down, I started to pull from the first and second piece to make my piece, have weave with it. So as you can see, I'm making sure the braid is secure before I add the extra hair to it. Um, but I'm just braiding it down, and then as soon as I feel it tight enough, I start adding hair to make each piece the same size. So then I just repeat it, and this is closer for you so that you're able to see what I'm actually doing. So at first, it's 3 separate pieces, 2 being a weave and 1 being my own hair that I'm just braiding together. And you want to try to get a tight, firm grip on it. This helps, especially if you have like finer hair. It helps you grip the hair better. So I'm mostly using this technique for my edges and like my finer pieces of hair. So then I went ahead and finished the front. I didn't get to record it because y'all, I just feel terrible. But this is the second way that I did the braids for my more thicker pieces of hair. I just put my hair into 3 sections and put the weave in 3 sections and just add it to my hair. You put it at the top and you try to grip it together and as tightly as possible. So I'm going to show you all again what I did. So I just divide my hair into 3 sections, divide the weave into 3 sections, and then just grip it with my hair as tightly as possible and just start braiding it down. And I know we started off with knee parts, but as I continued on, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like I said, I wasn't feeling well. So I was just pulling hair, and some of the parts I think were just too small for me, so I made them a little bit bigger. So that's why you'll see some of my parts a little bit messy, because I was just pulling the hair trying to get this done, because I was just feeling terrible. I know I'm laughing and stuff, but I was feeling bad. And I didn't braid the hair all the way down. I left some hair out at the end because I think that looks better. But I didn't get to finish. I finished the rest in bed. So this is how it looked at the end. The front was super tight and neat. I didn't keep them in that long because they were giving me headaches for how heavy they were. But next time I'll try to do them bigger so it won't take me that long. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see done to my hair. Thank you.